the floor. A paper moves slowly near the open door. The street is waking, one sound at a time. The thin blue morning draws a quiet line. Window light across the room. Small bright air arriving soon. Keys on the table, a chair turned aside. Shadows lean gently where the sun can slide. A white shirt drying in the early breeze. The city moves softly through the leaves. Window light across the room. Small bright air arriving soon. Glass on the counter, clear as the sky. A little wind passes and keeps moving by. Window light across the room. Small bright air arriving soon. A thin curtain moves with the air. Morning is resting quietly there. The window is open, a little and wide. Sound from the street comes softly inside.